everybody, welcome back. It's been weeks since I've been able to make a video, and sorry that the lighting is not good, but I can only do this when I can do this. I do have a ring light behind me, a bunch of big lights, but sun's going down, so I'm going to try to do this fast. If you're new here, my name is Christy. I am now a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and today I have an unboxing video for you. It's a new wholesale liquidator, whatever you want to call it, called Kosei Threads. I have 2 boxes coming. This one came today, the other one should come Friday, so I will unbox this one for you, and then the other one should be out early next week. So if you like unboxing videos, go ahead and leave me a like and a comment, subscribe if you're new, if you want to see more from this company. Now that I've gone back to work at a 9 to 5, I do not have time to go to a thrift store and thrift or go to the bins like I would like to. So I'm hoping this can be a decent source of clothes. So today I know there's 30 pieces. I bought this box on the 28th of last month. And after 2 weeks, I think it was, of not receiving the box, I contacted their customer support, their customer service. Within 2 days of contacting them, it had been shipped out, so I'm hoping it's decent. We'll see. But it's 30 pieces. It's supposed to be like men's outdoor brands. If you go onto their website, they've got a ton of different boxes to choose from. So no matter what you sell that's clothing-wise, you'd be good to go. Jewelry, makeup, shoes, boots, clothes, men's, women's, kids, the nines. So it's supposed to, the brands they gave for examples were like Columbia, Columbia type brands, outdoor brands for men. Specific, I don't remember if it was just shirts or shirts and pants, we'll see. Also, if you've watched any unboxings from this company, they were bagging everything individually, which I liked, but I've seen a few recent videos of people who they weren't wrapped all the way for, so I haven't opened this box up any more than just the flaps. I did not open the front, so well, now let's see. Alright, these are not wrapped, so we're making it a little bit easier for the video. Let's see if this says what it is. Outdoor gear men's secondhand wholesale. So these ones are pre-owned. My next box that I am getting is the women's fundamental new tags box, and it's a 40 piece. But this one here is a men's outdoor brands. It should be 30 pieces. So let's get into it. Alright. Also, if you go on there, the brands that they give you are just examples. So, I mean, there'll be plenty of things in here that are not. So this one looks like it might be actually have new tags, and it is an LL Bean zip up hoodie. So that's actually really nice. Let's move this box out of the way now a little bit. So yeah, it's a nice men's LL Bean Sherpa lined hoodie. It's a size medium, and I mean, it's a little dirty from being in the box, but I don't see any stains on it, so that's good. Let's see. It looks like there's a lot of more winter items. This is a Columbia size large, kind of like a plaid checkered zip-up jacket. It's a fleece jacket on the outside. So yeah, that's actually in really good condition too. So far, so good. Wish I had some wood to knock on. Let's see, this is LL Bean. I think it's men's. LL Bean, it is a hoodie. It is a size extra large, regular. It's not a full zip, but these are just like buttons in the front. The color scheme and everything looks like it might actually be vintage, but I don't know how to tell. Made in Jordan. But yeah, still really good condition. Got pockets. Let's see. Another LL Bean, men's size large, cotton zip up sweater. So that's good. Oh, this looks nice. An LL Bean, size large. Another like, not quarter zip, but like quarter belt or button, kind of like a sweater jacket. Let's see, I know I'm going through this kind of fast, faster than I normally do, but like I said, it is getting late and my my light's almost gone. This is an Eddie Bauer, a men's Eddie Bauer sweater, long sleeve, size medium. Okay, I can't tell if that's got stains on the back or not. Let's look at it closer when I got better light. There's like a little snag on it, but still really good condition. Let's see, here's an Eddie Bauer, and anybody heard of something called Helpsy? Is that like a secondhand store, sort of like a Plato's Closet or something like that? Because there's the tags that have been on there, the ones that I have tags, have say Helpsy at the bottom. So if any of you guys know what Helpsy is, please let me know, because I do not. I don't think we have those here, if that's what that is. But this is a men's Eddie Bauer, size extra large, long sleeve shirt. I'm putting them on the table here in threes. I'm going to try to put them in threes, I don't know. Try to keep track. Ooh, there's some bottoms. So we got tops and bottoms. Awesome. So it's an LL Bean. Let's see. LL Bean size medium tall, lightly fitted. Just a nice flannel shirt. Kind of like a, on my camera there, it looks more like a purple and green, but it's more like a red and green in real life. So far, I'm pretty happy. I have watched a ton of unboxings by this company over the last couple of weeks, and watching every different kind of video, kids shoes, regen boxes, like they've got all kinds of stuff. And some people get really good boxes, and some people have gotten pure out, I wouldn't say trash, just very not great stuff. But this is cool. Oh, this is a LL Bean 100% lamb's wool, size large, men's sweater, button-up sweater, or button sweater. Not really button up, because it doesn't go all the way up. I will check this later for holes. I know it's not cashmere, but yeah, like I said, I'll have to really check through this stuff in some better lighting later. I'm trying to get through as many of the shirts as I can first, and then switch over to pants. So this is another LL Bean, size medium tall, long sleeve flannel, like a blue and green. Depending on what their comps are, I may lot those up because they are the same size. This is an Eddie Bauer classic long sleeve, size 2XL, men's button up. So far, I'm really happy. I'm not really seeing any like major stains, any major flaws. Everything seems to be in the condition I would pick it up at if I was at the bins or if I was at the thrift. Yeah, see, this is an LL Bean size medium. Yeah, medium. No, not medium. What am I thinking? Size large. Ooh, and a short sleeve. Just a nice striped button-up shirt. Oh, let's see. An LL Bean, size extra large, kind of like a outdoorsy, not a flannel shirt. It's kind of like that, more like a Columbia PFG type shirt material, but is an Eddie Bauer. Another LL Bean, size large, button-up short sleeve. I am happy because the brands were I'm thinking the brands were LL Bean, Eddie Bauer, and Columbia were the brands. So far, that's all I've gotten. I haven't gotten any lower end stuff or even anything different. Let's see. I think I see one or two more shirts. Ooh, this is thick. So this is an LL Bean size large. It's like a flannel. It's button up, but it's very thick. It's like a very, very heavyweight LL Bean button up shirt. Here is a Columbia size large zip up fleece jacket. That one's got zippered pockets. Alright, I think we're through all the shirts. Sorry for getting out of focus there, but so now we're going to switch over to the pants. Pair of LL Bean favorite fit size 12. So these are actually women's, but I ain't mad at it because I will sell women's. It's like a corduroy material. The pockets are the pockets are buttoned and the buttons are there. You just can't see them because they're missing. Or not because they're not buttoned up. Sorry guys, I worked 14 hours yesterday, and let's see. Today I worked only 9, but I'm tired. All right, let's see. These are some LL Bean size 38, 100% cotton, but I don't know if you can see it or not. I mean, the outside looks good, but around the edge here, I mean, my camera, this light's not gonna pick it up, but it's definitely like yellowing across the band at the top there. So I don't know if I will sell those or not. Let's see. I am also thankful there's some sorts of shorts in here. LL Bean size 36, natural fit, men's, 100% cotton, kind of like just a nice, almost like a khaki pant in blue. Let's see, this is also an LL Bean classic fit 16. So these are also women's. Just a nice khaki type material, outdoor pant. Apparently there are people who don't know men's sizes and women's sizes, but that's okay. LL Bean size 35, 34 inseam. Just another pair of slacks, pants. Let's see. I mean, they look good. I'll just have to check over the zippers and do all of that kind of stuff at a later date. Let's see. Ooh, these feel nice. These feel nice. No, that's why. Alright. These are... Okay, what are you? Ooh, I like these. Really like these. What are you? Oh, LL Bean. Okay, so they are LL Bean. Let's see a size. Okay, I do not see a size. Oh wait, there we go. Size 14. I thought these were women's pants. Size LL Bean. Women's. Like khaki. Or actually not even khaki. But they're lined on the inside. Let's see if I can show you. So they are flannel lined on the inside. These are a very nice pair of pants. So if you're a women's size 14, those are actually a really nice pair of pants. Maybe I'll be a 14 again. These are another size 12 of those same kind of pants that I had before. So I may lot those up as well, just depending on what they combat. Pair of Eddie Bauer, 100% cotton. Let's see, some weird pocket on the inside. Oh, which one of those? All right, let's see. Can I see a size? Size 14. So another pair of women's. So it may I'm not mad and I don't want any money back or a refund, but I might reach out to them and just let them know that whoever's packing these do not know the difference between men's and women's sizes. Sometimes women's can be the waist size, like a 36, a 29, whatever, but men's are never the other way around. Again, size 12, pair of women's pants, nice big bottom leg. Like I said, I'm definitely not mad at any of this. This actually, surprisingly, is a very good box. In my opinion. You guys let me know. If you got this box, would you be happy? So, here, I'll tell you. So I got 30 pairs, or 30 items is what they're supposed to be in here. I did use a discount code from Amber Dawn. If you guys don't watch her videos, she's great. And so I used her discount code and got 10% off. So my total was $102 for all 30 pieces, which was somewhere between, I know I did the math, I don't remember what it was. It was somewhere between $3 and $3.50 each. So this is a pair of LL Bean standard fit size 42 shorts. I may see if these fit to my husband. He's kind of in between a 40 and a 42, so it's depending on the shorts. So if those fit him, he may have those. These are a size 34, men's Columbia pants. Almost done. I think we got 3 more. Here is a pair of Columbia size 38 shorts. I will definitely be getting these shorts listed this week. LL Bean size medium, just kind of like a sweatshirt material type t-shirt. And last but not least, an LL Bean Nua tag, but it's got some weird sticker. LL Bean size small, small, regular, long sleeve shirt. This shirt did retail for $49, but that is everything. I think I may have even gotten more than 30. That's a lot of stuff. Alright guys, that is my Cozy Threads box. I am totally happy with that. I would totally pay $3.50 or $3 or whatever it would be for each one of these at the thrift store. No questions asked. So, let me know. I will have another box for you guys next. I'm supposed to get it Friday. I'll probably do the video over the weekend, so I'll either put that up on Saturday or Sunday, or maybe Monday, just depending. So, I will go downstairs, get the rest of my stuff done. I will talk to you guys later. Please like and subscribe if you want to see some more of these, because if these boxes continue like this is where I'll be sourcing from for a while. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a great night. Bye.